We worked on the development of a DC to DC controller for electricity powered vehicles. In order to demonstrate this, we are making use of a DC shunt motor. The input voltage of the DC shunt motor is obtained from the solar panels pre-installed in our laboratory through a boost converter. We have developed a controller for generating pulses of desired duty cycle. These pulses are fed to the IGBT of the boost converter. In this way, the gate triggering of the IGBT is controlled to get the required boost converter output voltage and hence the desired motor speed. Our circuit consists of two parts, a sawtooth waveform generator and a controller circuit. The sawtooth waveform generator consists of an SA555 timer of TI make used as an astable multivibrator which gives output rectangular pulses of frequency 2 kHz. The output of the astable multivibrator is fed to a monostable multivibrator which is also an SA555 timer of TI make. The output of the monostable multivibrator is a triggering pulse and it is given to the base of 2N2222, an NPN switching transistor, through a buffer. The transistor is connected across from UA741 acting as an integrator. It gives output sawtooth wave of frequency 2 kHz and amplitude 10 volt. Our controller circuit consists of an error amplifier using a TI make UA741. Its two inputs are a reference voltage and a feedback voltage. The maximum value of V reference is 10 volt, which corresponds to the maximum output voltage of the boost converter and hence the maximum speed. V feedback is the output of the boost converter scaled down such that it does not exceed 10 volt. The output of the error amplifier is fed to a PI controller made up of 3 TI make UA741 ICs whose job is to bring V reference closer to V feedback. Its output is given to a difference amplifier whose other input is V reference. The output of the difference amplifier is a control signal which is compared along with the sawtooth wave in a comparator, where the control signal cuts the sawtooth wave determines the duty ratio of the output pulse. Our innovation in the circuit is the introduction of a difference amplifier. We will now demonstrate its necessity. Now the reference voltage is 8.11 volt and the feedback voltage is 4.77 volt. With these two inputs to the circuit, the output of the PI controller is now 0.596 volt. If this voltage is compared with a sawtooth wave, we get a proper PWM pulse. In case of the reference voltage being less than the feedback voltage, we see that the reference voltage is now 4.335 volt and the feedback voltage is 4.77 volt. The output of the PI controller is negative. Had a negative voltage been compared with the sawtooth wave, we would have got a pulse of 100% duty cycle as the control voltage does not cut the sawtooth wave anywhere. This will account to shorting of the source and the motor. We have used the power from the solar panels. The DC shunt motor requires a higher voltage level, hence a boost converter has been used. The DC shunt motor is now running at a speed of around 1400 RPM. Now suppose we want to increase the speed of the DC shunt motor. We use a controller circuit for that. We increase the value of V reference so that the output of the boost converter increases and hence the motor speed increases. This is because as V reference increases, the control voltage decreases and cuts the sawtooth wave at a lower level and the duty cycle increases. The speed of the motor is now 2000 RPM. Thus, we have obtained a change in speed by changing V reference.